Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet a moss stitch granny square. Easy, beginner friendly. Today I'm going to use two colors, but you may use just one color, so up to you. For this tutorial I'm going to use 4mm crochet hook and medium weight yarn, Karen Simply Soft medium number 4. For the white color I'm going to use two strands. Do not worry, I'm just using another brand, but at the end it will be the same medium number 4. And now I'm going to use red color, and I'm going to start with red color. Start with magic ring. Now into the ring make one single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and let's repeat. One single crochet, chain 2. Let's repeat again. One single crochet, chain 2. And for the last time, one single crochet, chain 2, close circle, and to join, let's unravel those chain 2. Instead of chain 2, we will make one double crochet into the first single crochet. So make a yarn over, insert the hook into the first single crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. If you don't want to change the color, you finish the first round in this way, just one double crochet. Because I'm going to change the color, let's unravel again. Let's start again with one double crochet into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and when you have 2 loops, it's time to change for the next color. In my case, it's a white color. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops on your hook. Now what you're going to do, you need to turn your work clockwise, but please pay attention what's going on with your working yarn. So you leave working yarn in back so you don't touch it. Turn it clockwise. Sorry. Up. Take the working yarn so it is in front now. Not the tail, not the short tail, but the working yarn here. It is in front, and grab it with your left hand. And now we are ready to start crocheting around number 2. Now we are going to work into this space that was formed by one double crochet instead of chain 2. So in this space, make one single crochet. And now please look how you're going to grab the yarn. Usually we grab the yarn from the right side, but because it's a wrong side, we grab it from the left side. If you grab it from the right side, no worries, result will be almost the same. Just now make a one single crochet. Now make chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and work into the next corner. So it's a chain 2 space, make one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. So into the corner we work always 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Skip next single crochet, chain 1, and into the next corner repeat 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. And again skip next single crochet, make a chain 1, and into this third corner 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Now chain 1, skip again next single crochet, and into the beginning space where we did already 1 single crochet, make 1 more single crochet. And please look how I'm holding the previous color. And instead of chain 2 as before, we will make 1 double crochet into the first single crochet and we'll change the color. So insert, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and when you have 2 loops, grab the red color and pull through last 2 loops. Again, turn clockwise. Here you can hold your working yarn in your left hand, and now we are on the right side. Round number 3, again we are going to work right into the space here, make 1 single crochet. Here grab the yarn as usually and do not worry. Now chain 1, skip next single crochet, and in next chain 1 space make 1 single crochet. Chain 1, now skip next single crochet and right into the corner. In chain 2 space make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. And let's repeat. Chain 1, skip next single crochet, and then in chain 1 space make 1 single crochet, chain 1, now into the corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. And let's repeat. Chain 1, skip, 1 single crochet in next chain 1 space, chain 1 in next corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and right into the beginning space where we did the first single crochet, make 1 more single crochet, and to join we will again make 1 double crochet into the first single crochet. Now hold the white color or second color yarn in back, yarn over, pull through 2, and when you have 2 loops, grab the white color and pull through last 2 loops. Now we turn to the front side, and as you remember, now you leave the working yarn in back, turn your work clockwise together with the working yarn. So what we are doing, we always care about the right side and change always everything on the wrong side. So there are no bars, no jogs on the right side. And let's repeat. into the space. From left, grab the yarn from the right, like this. I've tried both variants, and I like the right side, how the right side looking if I grab the yarn on the wrong side from the left side. So make one single crochet, it doesn't matter, still it doesn't matter, no worries. Chain one, skip next single crochet, and in next chain one space make one single crochet, then chain one, skip again, in next chain one space one single crochet, chain one, and then corner, one single crochet, chain two, one single crochet, chain one. So really easy. We always skip single crochet and we make one single crochet in each chain one space. Into the corner again, one single crochet, chain two, one single crochet. Now chain one, skip one single crochet, chain one, skip one single crochet, chain one, and into the corner one single crochet, chain two, one single crochet, chain one, skip one single crochet, chain one, skip one single crochet, and now chain one. Now hold the red color with your left hand and into the space one, into the beginning space that was formed by one double crochet, make one single crochet. Now bring the yarn, red color yarn, in front, so to the wrong side, and let's join with one double crochet, into the first single crochet, pull through two, leave the white color and grab the red color and pull through last two loops. Pull and turn clockwise. And look at this already cute square that we have got. Now we start again into the beginning space here, make one single crochet. Now chain one and skip the next white single crochet, and into the next chain one space make one single crochet and repeat chain one, skip one single crochet, chain one, skip one single crochet. So every round on each side we add one single crochet, chain one. Now corner, one single crochet, chain two, one single crochet, and let's repeat. Previously on one side it was two single crochet, now it is three single crochet already. In the next round it will be four, and so on. Chain one, and now corner. Corners are always the same, one single crochet, chain two, one single crochet. Next, chain one, skip one single crochet, chain one, skip one single crochet, chain one, skip one single crochet, and so on till the end. I do really enjoy how fast this square is growing. Again, hold the white color into your left hand Now make a 1 single crochet and let's change the color. Hold now the white color in back and make 1 double crochet into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops. Grab the white color and pull through last 2 loops. Just look how cute this square is. And the last round that I want to show you again. Turn clockwise together with the working yarn and let's start the next round. Again, insert the hook into the space here and grab the working yarn from the left side and make a 1 single crochet, again optionally. And now chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. So we have 4 single crochet on one side already. Chain 1 and corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Again, chain 1, skip, 1 single crochet, 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 chain 1 and corner, single crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Let's repeat. Here into the beginning space, 1 single crochet, and now to finish this round, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, into the first single crochet, and change the color. Turn and go on repeating until you reach desired square size. If you like my square, let me count how many rounds of the red color I have done. So we have done here 1, 2, 3, 3 red rounds, and here I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds, 7 green rounds. And if we measure the square, it is 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.